Hi guys, and welcome to STEAM Distance Learning week of April 20th to April 24th. On today's agenda, we are going to do a recap of last week and what to do this week, and Wednesday is Earth Day, so I'm going to talk about that. Hopefully you saw my recap video on Friday, which will help make this video a little bit shorter. So the Amazon gift cards, just to recap, those went to Danny for completing the most distance learning projects, which are optional. That was the last week of that contest. So good job, Danny, for completing a Canva flyer, the Irma Gersh slideshow, and a time-lapse video. Also, good job, Zoe and Elena, for participating. All right, we spun the wheel in the video on Friday, and Jet won the Breakout EDU gift card. All right, this week is Earth Day. So there are tons of awesome things you can do for Earth Day. One thing that I've been watching videos on is how to make your own hydroponic garden. So that is my Earth Day activity that I will be working on this Wednesday. All right, I have an Earth Day activity for you too. So I've made this awesome Earth Day hyperdoc for you guys. And there's like 15 little fun activities. So you guys have done my hyperdocs before. On the left side, it tells you what to do and gives you a link to click. And then you write what you did or the answer to my question on the right side. So please do my Earth Day hyperdoc. You may have to go to File, make a copy for yourself and edit it. And then, of course, share it with me when you're done, and you will be entered into the Amazon gift card contest for the week. All right, so the next thing is at 1 o'clock every day, check out breakoutedu.com/live. No login required. Challenge your brain. They post a new breakout room every day, digital breakout room. And you can win prizes for yourself and your family and your school. That's every day at 1 o'clock. Totally optional. All right, so I wanted to do a quick recap. Your forms looked really good. Your quizzes were really fun. I just finished doing David's quiz, which it was the first one I got a 100 on. So that was fun. Alexa, I really liked your color quiz. Ray's Wonders of the World, I got a 90 on that one. So I really liked that one. I liked the ones I did well on. Okay, so hopefully you were able to watch my video on Friday and you were able to get your data from your quiz into a spreadsheet. Share that data with me. I would love to see it. All right, now for this week, we are still in Unit 10, Google Applied Digital Skills. You guys are pretty proficient at docs and slides and now forms. And we have done sheets a little bit, but we are really going to focus on learning some features in sheets that we haven't learned yet, like sorting and formulas. All right, so what I want you to do today, basically today, I just want you to watch this video. If you haven't, go back and finish anything from last week. Finish creating your form and getting all that data into a spreadsheet and share that spreadsheet with me. All right, so this week you're going to create a budget in Google Sheets. You're going to learn to make good financial decisions by researching and comparing cost in a spreadsheet. You will learn to use important features, and then you are going to highlight the product that you think is the best deal after you are done with your spreadsheet. And you're going to share your spreadsheet with the whole class, and we're all going to see the comparison that you did and what you would want to choose. So here's your agenda for the week, day by day. And then let's go ahead and look at Tuesday. What you're going to do is go to the Google Applied Digital Skills website, and you are going to watch the videos. Let me show you the videos. Okay. Now, here's the deal. Create a budget in Google Sheets. So there are actually, this is the first lesson. This is the only lesson you are required to do. Now, if you want to go on and do lesson 2 where you make a budget and you can get even more efficient at spreadsheets, this is a great lesson. Lesson 3, researching car loans. This is very, high school, college, adult level stuff, but you guys are really smart and you can do it if you want. 3, 4 is my favorite, of course, planning a vacation using Google Sheets. And then this is just a little wrap up budget thing. But you only have to do lesson 1. Okay, that's all we're going to do for spreadsheets this year. All right, so you'll watch these videos. There are 7 videos total. They're only like 2 to 3 minutes each, so not bad. And then there's an optional reflection at the end. So you'll go through and watch all the videos, and it'll show you exactly what to do. You do not need to sign in if you don't want to. If you want to sign in, it'll track your progress and show you which videos you've watched. So you can just sign in with your Google and it will turn the bubbles green when you've watched that video. So it's kind of nice, but it's optional. You do not have to. Okay, so that is what you're going to do this week. You're going to do that on Tuesday. You're going to do that on Wednesday. You're going to do that on Thursday. And you're going to finish and share it to the stream on Friday. So I will make a place on the stream for you to paste the link. Again, you'll just click. Yours will look like, let me show you what yours will look like when you're done. So the products I compared were phones. So it'll tell you in the video you need to have at least 5 different products. So these are the headings. These are the column headings over here. So I'm going to go ahead and bold those so they stick out. And then I compared 5 different phones. I'm in the market for a new phone, so here are the 5 phones I compared. I did research on battery life, screen size, the camera, the storage. I want a pink phone, so is that an option? Price, service plan, contract term, contract total, and then total cost. And you will be using some formulas in there to multiply some of these numbers, like contract term with how much it costs per month, and then how many months you have to sign up for. Will get you your contract totals. So this will be what yours looks like. And then whenever you are ready to share, you'll click the Get Shareable link and copy the link and go paste it on the stream so your classmates and I can see what products you compared and which one you chose. At the end, you're going to be highlighting the one that you choose that you would purchase out of these 5 options. You're going to be highlighting it yellow, so that way we know which one you would choose. So those are your big projects for the week: spreadsheet of product comparison, and I would really, really like you to do the Earth Day Hyperdoc. I worked really hard making that. On Friday, if you would like to, we are done with Unit 10, the G Suite, Google Suite, and if you would like to test your skills, I will put this up here. You know what? I'll even offer, if you make a 100 and send me a screenshot of this, I'll put you in the drawing for an Amazon gift card. But there does have to be, on options, you do have to have, I think there's 24 questions. So see how well you would be doing on my Google applications test. And the link to that is right here on slide 16. Okay. Share score with Mrs. Koss. Okay, cool. So, and then next week we'll move on to Unit 11. So that is all for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Email me if you have questions, and good luck with all your assignments this week. Miss you guys.